Every time you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I had something wonderful. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger I barely know, swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. Every pure intention ends when the good times start. Falling over everything to reach the first time spark. It started under neon lights and then it all got dark. I only know how to go too far. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger I barely know, swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you.
Hi there, how are you? Today I'm doing the dance late night habits. 32 counts forward improver. This is a type of 4 count happens at the end of wall 3 before you start the wall 4, facing 3 o'clock. And also in wall 5, the last section, there is an option of attack. Now the dance. First section, weight and left, start with your right. Side, rock, cross, shuffle. Slightly back, side. Cross, forward, back. Next section, back touch forward, back touch forward, back rock, recover, back half, forward half. There is an option to replace the full turn, which is one walk. Next section, step forward, hero 1/4, repeat, forward quarter, cross side, behind side cross. The last section, side hold, together, side hold, together, side recover, behind quarter, back to 12 o'clock. When you start a new water 1/4 to start, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the count. Wall 2, this is wall 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 hold 2 and 3 hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of wall 3, turn 1/4 before you start the wall 4. Side touch. This is the tap. And they count 1, 2, 3, 4. And they continue to start a new one at 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wall 5, there is an option of the last section. Now wall 5, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The option of the tap, cross on 1. And 1 half turn in 3 counts, 2, 3, 4. Keep weight on your left, side touch. And start the new one at 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the count. After behind side cross, the third section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the whole dance. Hope to like it, and I'll see you next time.
Every time you come around, you know I can't say